talking to?
Peyton Wright.
Hey, Peyton. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
You good? What event did you just do?
I did flags.
Flags. So tell me what flags. What did you have to do?
So you go down the fence and you grab the flag out of the bucket and you go all the way around the barrel
Okay.
and onto the fence. And then you go and put the flag in the bucket and come out.
Okay. And you get a time for that? Okay. Did you get the flag out?
I did.
Did you get it in?
I did.
Oh man. So you got a score. You could get a qualifying score, right?
I did.
That is what Miss Margie used to tell my daughter. Just qualify. Doesn't matter how fast you did it, as long as you done it. There you go. What's your horse's name?
Gracie.
How much?
Gracie.
Gracie. I'm sorry. Everything's a little loud. So, did you have fun today?
I did.
Oh, awesome. So what's your next event? Polls. Okay. All right. Are you looking forward to polls?
I am.
All the way past. Go now, go.
Alright, we're back with Miss Peyton. Peyton, what event did you just do?
I just did barrels.
And I didn't get the video. I'm so sorry. Can you talk to us about your run?
I can.
Okay. Which barrel do you go to first?
The right.
The right barrel, okay. How'd we do on that right barrel?
Good.
Okay. Can you tell me about the rest of your pattern?
I can. The left barrel, she came off very strong. And then the last one, while we were coming home, she tried to buck a little.
No, she didn't.
I did. She did.
What did you do?
I pulled her back and made her stop.
Okay, but did we get a qualifying time?
We did.
I think I heard a 20-something.
A 24.
A 24.
Seventeen 790.